Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Smart Study blog. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of filing GSTR-8 for tax collected at source, TCS, by e-commerce operators. This is for informational purposes only, and you should consult a tax professional for specific advice. Let's get started. First, we need to log into the GST portal. Just go to Google and search GST portal. Select the official GST portal. Now, enter your username, password, and captcha to log in. Once logged in, make sure you're on the Welcomes tab. Select the Return dashboard. Now, select the financial year and the month for which you want to file GSTR-8. Click Search and scroll down. You will see the Tax Collected at Source, GSTR-8, section. Select Prepare Online. Scroll down to find the section for the details of supplies attracting TCS. Click that section. Then, click Add. Here, you'll need to enter the GSTIN of your seller. As soon as you enter the GSTIN, the seller's name will appear. Please confirm it's correct. Now, enter the gross value of the taxable supplies. This is the value of supplies made through your platform, on which TCS is applicable. The TCS rate is subject to change based on regulations. Please verify the current applicable rate. For example, it might be 0.5% each for CGST and SGST for intrastate supplies, or a combined rate of 1% for IGST for interstate supplies. The TCS amount is calculated on the net value of taxable supplies. Enter the applicable CGST, SGST, or IGST amounts. In my case, the gross value of supplies made is 338 rupees. The supply is made within the state, which is an intrastate supply, so we need to calculate 0.5% of 338 rupees, which is 1.69 rupees. And put that amount in CGST and SGST. In case of an interstate supply, calculate 1% of 338 rupees, which is 3.38 rupees, and allocate it to IGST. After entering the amounts, save the details. You can add more sellers by repeating this process. By clicking Add. Now select back to GSTR-8 dashboard. Now, you can see the summary of your TCS details. Verify the amounts and then scroll down to select Compute Liability. The system will process your return, which might take a minute. If you want to review the draft GSTR-8, you can download it. Scroll up and select Returns. It will return to the Return dashboard. Again, select the financial year and month, then click Search. Scroll down and select the Tax Collected at Source, GSTR-8, section, and choose Prepare Online. Once the liability is computed, click on Proceed to File. Before filing, double-check all the details. If you don't have enough cash balance in your electronic cash ledger to pay the TCS liability, you'll need to create a challan. The challan amount will reflect the computed TCS liability. I'll select Repayment, then Generate Challan. and choose UPI as my payment method. Select your bank and accept the terms and conditions, then click a Proceed to Pay. Skip the optional contact information. Click on Show QR Code. Now, use your UPI app to scan the QR code and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Continue. Your cash ledger balance will be updated. Accept the declaration and select your authorized signatory. Now, click on File GSTR-8. You can choose to file with EVC, Electronic Verification Code, or DSC, Digital Signature Certificate. If you choose EVC, enter the OTP that you received on your registered email ID or phone number. Click Verify. Your GSTR-8 will be filed successfully, and you'll receive an acknowledgement reference number. Save this reference number for future reference. That's it. You've successfully filed your GSTR-8. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Smart Study blog for more informative content. See you in the next video.